Morning guys, checking in on the garden here. These are our zucchini plants. We've actually picked one zucchini out of here. Looks like we got a couple more zucchinis I need to pick. This is a big one, a little bit oversized, but they're doing really well. There's several flowers still on here to bloom. Here's our tomatoes. So we got some green ones growing. I've actually picked 5 or 6 red ones off already. There's one more I need to pick. These tomatoes here, I don't remember what kind they are, but they're kind of pear-shaped or something. Anyway, it'll be interesting to see what they taste like. And then we got cucumbers, and the cucumber vines are growing like crazy. We picked a whole basket full of these already. These are what you call they're called Romanian cucumbers. So they're really skinny and long. This is a small one, but they're really good. They have less seeds than what you think of a normal cucumber. And then our corn is looking like it's drying up. I don't know what's going on with it. It is kind of short, so it seems a bit early to be drying up. It doesn't really have any, I guess it has a few ears that have started. You can see this one right here. There's a few that have started, but as dry as it's been, I don't know if they're gonna get any bigger than that or not. But here's our potatoes in a bag. They're growing really well. We've added more dirt. Once the plants grow up a little ways, you kind of pinch off the leaves at the bottom, and then you add more dirt in the bag, and they just keep growing up and keep hopefully growing potatoes in the bag. We'll find out probably in the next month or so. So here's what I picked today. You can see the cucumbers are huge. Probably let them get a little bit too big, but they're gonna be good. We got one banana pepper, and then a few tomatoes, and then a couple of zucchinis.